Hello, this is Jim from TechBuzz, and we're going to give you a look at this bag that was sent over to us from STM Bags. Bags which are for people with a digital lifestyle, if you will, and you can carry all your technology in one piece here. And this is called the Prime Laptop Backpack. It's got a Sling Tech system built in, which is a unique padded suspended laptop section, which is inside, and it kind of raises your goods off the floor. As you can see, there's nothing there because it's raised internally. Durable water resistant fabric, internal pockets for cables and accessories, external fleece lined pockets, and front overflow, and there's a lifetime warranty built in. And yeah, so this is the front of it here. And as we can see, we just have our 3 zips and our 2 pouches on the front as mentioned, which I kind of keep empty at all times, and this facilitates me to put stuff in I would receive at events and so on, and some information and literature, etc. So if we turn the bag around to the back, we can see we've got 2 straps here and the STM logo, and as you can see here, there's padding on both sides, and this acts as an air channel. And it's called STM's Cushion Back Panel Design 3D Foam, and it's soft mesh and central air channel to provide ventilation. So this piece here in the middle is hard and this is soft, so it's comfortable on the back, and we have adjustable straps, of course, so anyone can use it. And we have the same piece on top which you can just carry like so. So if we go on to the main part of the bag, which will be the front, this is kind of where we have all our big stuff here. As I said, we'll keep pockets free. And just before I move further here, we have 2 pieces each side here, which is perfect for carrying our bottled water or cans or whatever the case may be. So they're always free until you get to an event, because these events tend to be warm and you will be thirsty, and you know, that's somewhere to put it, which is excellent. So if we open up the main compartment like so, we're presented then with several compartments inside, as you can see, and we also have a compartment up at top here. So what I kind of do is kind of keep all cables together in one bag or in one pouch. So we have micro USB, we have a smaller lead here, we have iPhone cable here, we have a couple of lanyard straps like so, and wall charger, and this is for headphones. And if you're plugging into your phone or tablet, you can share. This is a quite handy little piece you have. You'll often find these given out on airlines and so on. And again, we have another piece here where you can clip something onto it should you might want to do so. So in here is where all the big stuff is. And what we'll do is we'll start from the bottom. We have our Jabra headphones here. These are Jabra wireless. We like to have some decent sound bars and something comfortable. And these are ideal for that purpose, particularly if lying in bed or whatever the case may be when you're on overnight stays. We have our IT7 Audio X2s, as you can see. We like to keep them in our case as well to keep them protected. We also carry some cardboard, Google Cardboard now, because we're doing a lot of VR. There's a lot of VR apps going around and we like to try something should be away. We have something handy at hand to put and try out the app there and then. We have power banks, Vitality. Every tech blogger or journalist knows that you need power bank. This one here is a massive one, as you can see. And yeah, we'll also have one of them. This is from Jabra. We have a screen sharing kit here. This is for sharing stuff onto bigger screens. This is be more used as presentations and so on, and quite handy to have with you. And spare phones is a must. Just a normal bog standard old Nokia here and another one here. It's handy just to have a spare phone should that happen, or should you lose one, should you smash one or break one. It's just handy to have some phones with you. And of course a couple of pens. Yeah, you need some pens. We also have a stylus here, and in here we will put our USB keys and so on, and that's the USB that we have in here at the minute. And of course our MacBook, which fits in perfect. And I'll just pop that out and show you what it's like in there. And if we go in a bit more, we also have a speaker. This is a wireless speaker, or you can wire it to your computer. Sometimes sound isn't quite loud, and this will boost it perfectly fine, so we have a bit more enjoyable listening. Again, it's something that I like to carry with me personally. And furthermore, power, a multiple USB charging port, plug, which can carry 4 devices, in-car charging, again, it can charge 2, and adapter here. So everything that we need is required. And as we said earlier on, if we can show you here, this is all suspended. It's not flat on the bottom, it's suspended from the bottom of the bag, so there is a space between the actual bottom on the inside and bottom on the outside, which kind of protects everything. So that's it for now. That's the STM laptop backpack. Any questions at TechBuzz Ireland? Have we missed anything on this in regarding travelling purposes, or did we miss pieces that you think we should carry with us? You tell us and give us your thoughts and tell us what you carry in your tech pack, and we'll talk to you soon.